Cambodian Lok Lak is originally a Vietnamese dish called Bo Luk Lak, or in English, shaking beef. While largely similar, the beef cut is thicker in the Cambodian version and overall not quite as sweet as the Vietnamese version.
Provide me shade and I really thrive on it. On her tail, she couldn't keep on these sunny. Sipping lemonade from my lemon tree, honey. Let me spill the tea on all these haters, how want me. Cook up all the killing, winning at a two. Them girl get on my gas, see my altitude. Gotta miss a sound, I'm baby, you.
For the marinade, we use about 1 tablespoon each of oyster sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, and a garlic ginger mince. It is difficult to source Cambodian kampot pepper in some countries, so you can also use regular black pepper. About 1 tablespoon ground pepper is added to the meat marinade. Remember the marinade? At high heat, we will reduce the liquid in the pan quickly. Before it is dry, add more of the same marinade in the same quantity. The only difference now is the heat and the fact that we will also add a tablespoon or 2 of palm sugar. You can see right away the beautiful consistency of the beef and the aroma. Wow! This is the pure Lok Lak beef, so fast and easy. Then there are many options for plating. Some street food vendors also use onions, while others don't. So there are no rules, but this is about as authentic as you can get. To our guests, thank you as always for joining us. We are celebrating our new virtual restaurant in Cambodia with a fantastic Lok Lak recipe. Please enjoy and see you again soon. Bye now.
Provide me shade and I really thrive on it. On her tail sheet, couldn't keep on these sunny. Sipping lemonade from my lemon tree, honey. Let me spill the tea on all these haters, how love me. Broke up all the killing it, winning attitude. Tangy, all I got, see my out.